Universal has just announced the official closure of KidZone, and it's been a long time coming. This land has been prime real estate for a new attraction, with multiple leaked concepts for a brand new land. Let's talk about everything we know so far in this breaking news update. First off, what's leaving and what's staying? Fievel's Playland, Woody Woodpecker's Nuthouse Coaster, and Curious George were always expected to leave. But what surprises me a bit is the removal of Dreamworks Destination and the Shrek meet and greet. They weren't amazing or anything, but both had opened fairly recently. In fact, the Shrek meet and greet was relocated earlier this year from its old spot near Shrek 4D. I'm not too saddened by their removal, I'm more just a little bit surprised, especially with how soon they'll be closing. January 16th, 2023 will be the official closure of these attractions, with the last day of operation being the 15th. On the other hand, Animal Actors, SpongeBob SquarePants, KidZone Pizza Company, and thankfully E.T. Adventure will be staying. I'd expect the pizza place to be rethemed or renamed as KidZone's replacement nears completion, but other than that, it seems like these guys are safe. Now, let's get into the exciting part, the replacement. Honestly, despite all the rumors about this area, nothing stands out to me as a clear winner. Going by the announcement, we know that this will be a family-oriented IP, which gives us a bit of wiggle room. Something from Dreamworks, Illumination, or Nintendo are pretty safe bets for this area. I'd love to see Hollywood's Secret Life of Pets dark ride, which could easily fit into this space. I could also see them trying a Kung Fu Panda area here, especially since Dreamworks has announced the release of the fourth film. But I think the most likely option is also the most obvious. A Pokemon-themed area makes all the sense in the world. It's the biggest IP on the planet, and there's so much they could do with it. It would also integrate well with Super Nintendo World at Epic Universe, and leaves the door open for another Nintendo property to come to Islands of Adventure. Overall, if I had to guess, I'd say we'll be seeing a Pokemon land here by 2025. Be sure to comment what you expect to see in this area, and check out this video for my tier list of Universal Studios rides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.